thing to tell about Equinox is here colleagues are friends, seniors are mentors, and juniors are support, which is very rare combination, which is expected in the organization, but we never find that anywhere. So this is a place which I found these three combinations with me. I doesn't feel any pressure of working over here. So every day there is a new project coming for me, and I never feel a pressure, and I always get a time to have a breather around that. So it's not always tense situation. Hence, in short, Equinox is the best place to work.
I have been a part of Equinox since last year, and working with Equinox has been excellent, and the work culture over here is very different, and there is no micro management over here. The best thing that anyone would like about Equinox is the open door policy. So in case if someone has a suggestion or a question, they can walk up towards their boss and they can talk about the same. Equinox has definitely changed my way towards work and life.
If you see the work culture here at Equinox, it's a very friendly work environment. People actually love what they do, and you will see a lot of young blood in the organization who actually wants to deliver great results, and as which is is one of our core value, and also one of our core value that we stand by and live by is we have fun while serving others. So all in all, there is a lot of growth prospect. There is a lot of open culture that we have in the organization. There is not one person fighting for a single position. If there are two people delivering great result and outperforming, both will be promoted to a certain designation. So growth is there, opportunity is there. We have a lot of cross-functional departmental change that we do. If we see an individual really performing well at a certain profile which is not there in their current role, we obviously let them move to another department knowing their caliber and skill set.
Well, yes, I mean, as I said, like there are so many reasons to define or say why I love Equinox, because one very important reason for Equinox is, as I said, it's a very young team over here. Young atmosphere is there. Opportunities, yes, no doubt. I have seen in my team itself my people who have joined as an intern, and today they are handling one particular department, one particular sector. So that's the level of growth, and the opportunities is something that I have seen in Equinox. Overall, yes, Ashwin sir as a mentor, he's fabulous. Actually, till date, I'm learning so much from him.
So every Monday morning, against the whole trend of having Monday morning reviews, Equinox Labs, we start with an innovation meeting. Meetings that we share with our seniors, with our CEO, with our juniors. We all share together what we did different the last week. And this is the crux of our culture. We try new things in spite of being result-oriented and target-driven. Equinox is a place where everyone you ask, they want to work for. Every client you ask, they want to work with us. And most importantly, I'm guilty of sounding philosophical here, but Equinox is a culture we want to live with. So Equinox is the place.
Working with Equinox is a great pleasure for me. The thing I most appreciate about the Equinox is that it has given me opportunity to work in a good environment with the good people surrounding. Management always support me for the new ideas, implementations and the innovations. It has always give support, or it emphasizes on the technical knowledge, innovations and the automation system in the laboratory. Thanks to the management for the new ideas, implementations and freedom to work. The one thing I observe about Equinox Labs is that there is transparency in the process, reporting and the customer communications. I'm proud to be a part of Equinox Labs. Thank you.
In Equinox, every day is a new day, a new learning, a new opportunity. Over here, you have freedom of speech, you have freedom of thoughts, your creativeness, everything is being appreciated. And yes, of course, it's up to the mark, then executed as well. In my knowledge, anybody who spent a year, a month, or a day in this organization, he is bound to take something back with him.
Last but not the least, my parents gave me my name, and Equinox gave me identity. Thank you so much.